In this video, I'll show you how to use Visa gift cards online. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Now, Visa is widely accepted globally. This means you can use your Visa gift cards on most websites and online stores that accept Visa cards, providing flexibility in your online shopping. Now, how do we use our Visa gift cards online? Simply, you need to check first if your Visa gift card has balance, right? That's the first thing you need to do. Now, for you to be able to know and to check if you have like a balance on it, start by looking at the back of your gift card. Typically, you'll find a toll-free number right here. Say, for example, it's 1-800-123-4576. And you just simply have to call, and the phone representative will be more than glad to assist you and discover your balance. Now, you can simply check your balance by visiting the card issuer site and entering your card's 16-digit number and security code. All right, so here are some websites where you can check your gift card issuers, right? Visa Vanilla Gift Cards, giftcards.com, Gift Card Mall, Commerce Bank, and Navy Federal, and even Walmart. Now, for us to be able to use our Visa gift card online, simply, when you are ready to check out, keep your Visa card handy, and then in the online form, fill in your 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV number. And of course, you'll want to make sure that your gift card's balance is enough to cover the amount of your purchase. Okay, say for example, you're checking out and the payment method is not accepting your Visa gift card. All right, if you're having issues with the checkout, simply all you're gonna do is call the support center. All right, and tell them your situation, that you are having problems using your Visa gift cards online. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next one.